Grassroots group is making waves in the Outer Banks. They are gearing up for Memorial Day weekend with a demonstration. They are protesting the closure of parts of the beaches for a bunch of endangered birds and turtles that nest there. News Channel 3's Ted Alexander is live in the Outer Banks with the story. What's the plan, Ted?
Good evening, Bianca, from the foot of Cape Hatteras in Buxton, North Carolina. Tonight, the ongoing struggle between man and nature. Birds or beachgoers? With the summer season set to begin, the question tonight is, who's got dibs on the sandy surface?
You feel like you're in a playpen out there. It's an awful feeling.
Kim Mosier's upset by the amount of Buxton Beach that's been cordoned off to protect wildlife. Ron Alderman's a Buxton resident. He's thinking about tourist season.
People are going to find parking lots that they're used to being able to park at and walk across to the beach are pretty much ineffective, that those areas are closed to everyone.
He worries that it could get ugly this weekend.
I think it's going to be a logistical nightmare for the user and both the National Park Service and probably even our own Dare County Sheriff's Department.
One of the huge reasons people come to this part of the Outer Banks, the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. That's still open for business, but lots of the beaches are not. And we aren't talking only closed to vehicles, also closed to pets and pedestrians.
It's an emotional thing, you know, because this is our livelihood. This is what we do. This is, we fish every day. We eat fish. We love going to the beach, and they've just taken it away from us.
This weekend, dozens of beachgoers will be handing out thousands of these leaflets in an attempt to explain their side of the closure issue. Angel Hernell is spreading the word in Virginia Beach.
I've taken my children down there. I've grown up going down there, and they're taking our beach away from us. And, you know, that upsets me. I want to be able to continue to visit.
Striking the balance between nature's needs and man's desires is never easy.
We want to protect the resources as much as the next man, but this situation right now where we're being shut out of these areas completely while the birds are showing the intent to mate or maybe just lay in their nest, at which time you're not bothering them, we should be granted this access.
The lighthouse at Cape Hatteras standing sentinel over the graveyard of the Atlantic. Things are calm here now. This weekend could be a totally different story. Live at Cape Hatteras in Buxton, North Carolina, Ted Alexander, News Channel 3.
And here's the thing. The people we talk to say they understand why the beaches need to be closed, but they want to know why the closures keep changing from day to day. Grassroots